So you put it on by sliding the button to your left hand side. Then from there, first of all, it has 4 services. We have 4 services here. We have level, we have plumb, that's vertical, we have square, we have gradient, then finally number 5 is off. You switch it off after use.
Okay.
From there, you switch it, the sliding button to your left, and then you press the button to switch it on. From there, you now decide what you want. First, press to give you level. Then you move to
the next
plumbness, plumb.
That's the vertical one.
Yes.
Okay.
The second service is plumbness. Though plumbness has got a line you can transfer from the floor to the ceiling.
Okay.
And plumbness will be projected on the wall.
Okay.
Then you move to
Manuel.
yes,
Mambo.
This is the square.
So this is square, that is 90 degrees.
Okay.
You can be sure of this because really that's 90 degrees.
Okay. Next one.
Next one we project. Sorry. We project
The gradient.
the gradient. So this is your gradient.
Okay.
So you can see this as a real slope
Yes.
that's consistent.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. How do you switch it off?
Then the next, it moves to the next service, which is switching off like that.
Okay. Thank you.